Hello again friends, today something easy, something simple, improving electrics we have around. So here I have my electric salt and pepper grinders. I really love these things, I can't live without. The point is that kind of annoying. You see, I'm using rechargeables. The plus head here or contact, it's not long enough to get steady into the contact, into the machine properly set. So what can I do? I have two ways to do this. Probably cutting this plastic, which is not so easy, or having some soldering on top. I don't know. Let me try to add some soldering here and to see if the plastic gets strong enough to sustain the heat. Let's see. Well, I'm afraid that's not a good idea. So I'll go. You know what's funny? All that soldering is going inside. Okay, now I did it. Let me see. Is this better? It's a huge hole, in fact. Not too much. Maybe I'll add some wire. Curled. Oh yeah. Now it's very secure. Yes, it is. But you know something? It's too much heat, so I'm afraid it's not a good idea. That's why I'm gonna try to cut this. You see, these guys here. And this will make some room for the tip to go in place or to have a better contact. Something like that, you see? So that plastic, somehow, it's keeping the cell going in place. I really don't know. What about this? Oh yeah, that's for sure. That's for sure a very good contact. Now, I'll have some wires. But before, clean everything properly. Let's prepare the wire. That's enough. That should be enough. Of course. Okay. Looking good. That should be enough. Enough. We don't need too much. Just a little point, maybe a little bit more here, like that. Beautiful. Okay, let's see. It's already much better. Oh, come on. What's wrong with you? Is that too much? Yeah. It's looking like it's too much. Good. And here also. Oh yeah. Why don't you want to stay there? Oh, okay. Not a very good idea with having that piece of wire, because it's obviously taking too much space. But we'll add a blob of solder up here, and this will keep the element, the cell, down. Yeah. Yeah, and let me have the other guy, same story. Yeah. Perfect. That's it. Okay. Oh, I need to clean that. That's fine. Oops. Nice and steady. Yeah, of course. Okay. Perfect. Yes, so if you encounter anything like this, it's not a bad contact, it's the problem with the rechargeables. You know, the tip of the rechargeable, it's not long enough to get a proper contact. So instead of having a longer tip, we made a better contact down here. Okay, I hope it's useful. Just a simple idea how to think these thingies. And of course, like always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button, don't be shy. I'm waiting your comments too. Thanks to my sponsors, like always, Vlad and Radu and Czech. And until the next one, have a good time and don't forget to have fun. See you, bye bye.